Please join me also in welcoming on stage Princess Diya Kumari.
महसूस हुआ दैट है ना देखिए आपने
No, it's not started yet.
Are we ready to start? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks very much for waiting. First of all, of course, a very warm welcome to Princess Diya Kumari ji for having made the time to attend this wonderful book release function. Briefly about the book, Sujata Bajaj's Ganapati. We have known Sujata in her long years as an artist, as an abstract art practitioner. And I think a lot of eyebrows are going to be raised by the fact that this particular book, this marvelous book brought out by Art Alive, has to do with Ganapati, which is kind of figurative. It is an amazing blend, actually, of the abstract and the figurative forms. Sujata has been working on sketches, on sculptures, on paintings of Ganapati ji for the last 30 years. And I have seen some of those works. I think lots of other people have. Raza Saab is a great admirer of these particular works. And every time Raza Saab came to Sujata's studio in Paris, he would encourage her and he would tell her that these are some beautiful paintings which need to be put together in a book and later on maybe in an exhibition. Sujata talks about Ganapati in a very strange way. It's almost like a raga or a piece of music because she says, for me, the form of Ganapati is endless. The form is something that just flows from my paintbrush. And the colors in her palette for this particular series of works are her signature colors: oranges, reds, mustards, strong Indian colors. No matter where she is, whether she is in Norway or Paris, Sujata remains an Indian artist at the core of her heart. And I'm going to begin by asking Sujata a little bit about how it all began to the time she first, in Jaipur, where she was born, how she went to the temples, and how the image of Ganapati impressed her as a child when she accompanied her mother to the temple. Sujata Bajaj.
Hi.
First, tell me about Jaipur and your association with Jaipur.
My association with Jaipur is very strong because this is my birthplace. I've schooled here. All my making years are in Jaipur. So the music, the color, the life of Rajasthan has been literally in my blood. I'm also from Rajasthan, so all put together, Rajasthan is a very, very important part of my life and my work.
And about Ganapati, this whole series that you have painted,
We were
sculpted.
small kids going to school, and I still remember every Wednesday, 3-4 of us friends used to go walking to Moti Dungri temple. It was sort of a ritual. Every Wednesday we do it, and we go there, and that orange color somehow entered so much in my system that when I started to work with my paintings, I wanted that orange, and somehow I couldn't get those orange. So I was so restless to get that orange. So these colors and forms, they are outside of other conventional things, you know, and they really draw you. An artist, for being an artist, I feel this is endless form.
You've also used the script very interestingly. You've used clippings of newspapers from French newspapers, maybe even from the Jaipur Times.
See, it's my life. My life is between India, Paris. My husband is Norwegian, so part of Norway is in me. And I live partly in Dubai also. So it's like really, and I have traveled vastly. I have done my PhD in tribal art. So when I was traveling and working around, I somewhere picked up some text, somewhere some newspaper. Once I was in Himalaya, so I got some Bhujapatra.
Yes.
So all these things got collected in my treasure. And when I started to work, I said, it should be like my life, that everything, all these small things put
They flow
together
together.
and makes this artwork.
Excellent. Sunaina Anand, many congratulations. Art Alive is bringing out and
Four
has brought out
publishers.
some
4 publishers have
fabulous books. So this is with Art Alive,
Art and Soul, and 2 are French publishers.
and there are 2 other French publishers. But many congratulations, Sunaina. What is your plan for this particular book? And it must be very expensive to bring out an art book. Why on earth are you bringing out such spectacular tomes year after year?
First of all, I must say that bringing out a book is almost like having a child, you know. It's like,
Yeah.
it's a work of labor, and here there's a whole lot of people who come together to put a book. Firstly, it's the artist and her or his, you know, vision that, you know, puts a book together. But after that, the designer, the people connected with the work of Sujata, people who are her supporters, her friends, everything puts the work together. And when it comes to us, you know, which is like the gallery who works with Sujata, we are also involved because Sujata has been talking about this whole series for many, many years. And being an abstract artist, we said, okay, I mean, you're doing, and she never showed because these were all her personal body of works. So she never showed it to us, but when she did show to another gallerist, which was a few years ago, and that's how the show happened. And when I got to know about it, I was a little jealous. I said, you can't be doing that, starting with Mumbai and not doing it in Delhi. And she said, no, the next show has to be in Delhi, but this time it will be with the book that will embody the entire collection, starting from her early etchings to present body of work. So the book is spectacular, expensive, but with the labor that's gone into creating those artworks, I don't think so it's that expensive. When you compare to the work that's gone, 30 years of work into the book, and it's purely a work
Labor
of
of love.
joy,
Yes.
love, affection, passion, and it's a book that I can promise that anybody who has it on its table would not take their attention anywhere else, but it will be on the book because every page of the book makes you see how Sujata looks at just few forms of Ganpati and how she looks at it differently from one page to the other. And it's a very colorful book coming from Rajasthan. You see her colors and she's sitting very colorfully there as well. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity for Art Alive to associate with this book, and this is the very first launch, and that was her desire and our desire too, and we wanted it to launch in Jaipur at the Lit Fest.
My birthplace.
And her birthplace. So we are here, and I am very sure that when you look at the book at the bookshop later, you're really going to enjoy the book. And we have some pamphlets here too that one can collect from us after the launch to know more about the book, and if you desire to possess a copy, it's going to be there, but that we'll talk later after the launch.
Thank you, Sunaina. Rajiv ji, you've been following Sujata's works now for many years.
जी
So as a supporter and a collector, I'd like you to just share with us your impressions of Sujata Bajaj.
देखिए, जयपुर वालों को तो सबसे पहले तो बहुत गर्व है। हमारी जयपुर की बेटी है, ये जयपुर में पैदा हुई और उसके बाद पेरिस तक पहुंची, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीट के अंदर उन्हें मैं आई नो हर लास्ट 25-30 ईयर्स। जयपुर के बाद पूना गए। जयपुर में तो गणपति का बता रहे मोती डूंगरी जाते हैं। पूना का एक बड़ा महत्व है, गणेश चतुर्थी, वहाँ पे जो गणेश के संग जो जुड़े हुए उत्सव हैं, मेरे ख्याल से पूरे महाराष्ट्र के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा पूना उसका केंद्र है। तो इसने बहुत कुछ अपने अंदर समाहित करा उसमें से, और कुछ और भी जानना चाहिए इनके बारे में। एक बड़े गांधीवादी परिवार से आती हैं और वर्धा में रहीं बहुत समय तक, विनोबा जी के आश्रम में रहीं। इनके माता पिता ने सफ़ेद कपड़े पहने पूरी ज़िंदगी, और इन्होंने अपनी पेंटिंग्स में पूरा कलर भर दिया। तो जो कमी इनके परिवार में मैंने देखा कि मैं पढ़ रहा था कि इन्होंने एक बार तय करा, विनोबा जी के सामने माता जी ने कह दिया कि मैं सफ़ेद ही वस्त्र धारण करूंगी। उन्होंने कहा, तो उसके बाद उन्होंने ज़िंदगी में कलर कपड़े नहीं पहने, रंगून नहीं देखा। और इनके लाल, नीला, पीला, ऑरेंज सारे कलर्स इनकी कपड़े में दिख रहे हैं, और उस किताब में भी देखने को मिलेंगे। तो मेरे ख्याल से गणपति पे, और फिर मैंने पेरिस में गया, इनके घर भी गया, इनके स्टूडियो में गया, इनको काम करते देखा है, इनका नॉर्वे से कनेक्शन देखा है। लेकिन एक हिंदुस्तानी होते हुए 28 साल से ये पेरिस में, 1981 में गए थे आप पहली बार पेरिस में गया। उसके बाद भी इनकी हर पेंटिंग में, हर कला के अंदर उसकी आत्मा, सोल इज़ वेरी वेरी इंडियन, बहुत हिंदुस्तानी है। और जयपुर की जो मिनीचर पेंटिंग्स हैं, जयपुर के जो पुराने हमको पुराने पन्ने मिलते हैं जिनके ऊपर कुछ कहावतें लिखी होती हैं, कुछ वेदों के पुराण के कुछ पन्ने होते हैं, उन सबको इन्होंने अपनी पेंटिंग से जोड़ा है। और मेरे ख्याल से दुनिया को भी, क्योंकि इतनी सारी एग्जीबिशन लगी हैं हिंदुस्तान की संस्कृति के बारे में, कलर के बारे में, यहाँ की मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स के बारे में, और मिनीचर पेंटिंग को खुद के काम करने के तरीके से इन्होंने दिखाया है। एब्स्ट्रैक्ट तो ये चित्र बनाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ समझने वाला हो उसके अंदर, उनकी लकीरों की, उनकी गुलाइयों को, तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत गूढ़ता से बहुत चीज़ें उसमें भरी हुई है, बड़ा गागर में सागर है उसमें।
जी। Diya Kumari ji, now of course you'll be releasing the book, but in case you want to say a few words, please.
I'd like to congratulate Sujata ji. It's an absolute pleasure for me to be, doing this today. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. You're a Jaipur girl. You're one of us.
Absolutely.
And that's what gives me even more pleasure. And when I saw the work of art that you produced, it's actually a work of art in itself.
Thank you.
And it's just the most amazing the way you have depicted Ganpati, use different mediums. I think I've never seen something like this before. And thank you Rajiv ji for having introduced us. And I'd also like to invite you someday, very soon hopefully, to have an exhibition of these beautiful things of
Sure.
all your works at
Sure.
some point in the museum.
Sure.
That'll be an absolute pleasure.
My pleasure too.
And I hope you do, I'm sure everyone will enjoy getting the book and seeing the amazing work, the amount of time you put in, the labor, the so many years of,
30 years.
yes, imagine, I was totally overwhelmed, and I couldn't stop myself from reading everything. I read your interview, read about, your life, about your family. It's just really unbelievable, and really hats off to you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Just release
So
the
I
book.
think we should now please do the honor of releasing the book. I need some help.
Like a
Yeah, we need to take that around. Just take this one.
we will.
Beautifully packed in Sujata's colors.
Yeah.
It's like actually an
Yeah, I
old
know.
manuscript.
Yeah.
Yes.
Both
Like
equal.
Yes, yes.
Absolutely.
फिर अंदर का भी निकाल लें। बहुत भारी है। इसको अंदर भी निकाल लें। Sorry.
This is it.
आप अपना।
Open a few pages.
Beautiful.
Colors.
So many white pages.
आप एक पे हमें लिख के देंगे
So that's the,
Thank you. Thanks so much. Thank you.
thank you so much.
Congratulations, Go, and thank you very, very much for the launch. The book looks exquisite.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for being part of it. Thank you.
यस
If anybody is interested in further information about the book, I have some pamphlets here. Please do come up to the front of the stage and I can give those to you.